Yo, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe. It's your boy CMO 954, but definitely hit that subscribe if you're new so you don't miss future content. But today we're going to be talking about achieving success through visualization. Let's get into this.
You came a long way, just look at what you've done. You stressing about the future, think of battles that you won. Don't quit on me, you getting better, journey just begun. I know you thinking life is hard, you're not the only one.
When life get hard, you stand. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe. So I'm really about to give you a superpower. Most successful people use this power, and you can use this power anytime you want. Check this out. If you can imagine your goal, you're most likely to achieve them. So if you want to increase the odds of achieving your dreams, then goal visualization is where it begins. Visualizing your goal teaches your brain what your brain needs to do to succeed and achieve those goals. Visualizing your goals creates inner motivation to go get those goals and achieve them. Visualization helps you stay on track to be successful. Trust me, I'm gonna get into how to visualize your goals, but I just want to tell you how important it is first. But visualization is so simple. All you gotta do is get comfortable and let your mind do the rest. So after this video, after you like, comment, and subscribe, I want you to take the time to visualize. And when you visualize in a time that you cannot be interrupted. So I'll start. My goal is to finish the semester of school with all A's. And when I visualize that goal, I see myself one step closer to graduating with my master's degree. Now comment below one of your goals. Actually, if I'm being honest, visualizing goals has always done me wonders, especially in track. Before my races, I would during the whole entire week, because I would know who I was racing against, I would just visualize what race I'm doing, who I'm racing against, what can go wrong. If things go wrong, how could I make them go right? How could I win this race? A theory is don't suffer twice, don't think about it, but I love thinking about it because I was determined to win, so I would think every scenario in my head, so once the time comes, I'm ready for it. The 3 steps of using visualization to achieve your dreams is write it, see it, achieve it. When you're writing your vision down, you gotta write it in great detail. There's so much benefit in clarifying what your goal actually is. When you clarify your goal, it'll also help you express it to other people as well. Also, when you're able to clarify that goal, it attracts you to your goal. Once you visualize your goal, you're taking that writing and you're bringing it to life. Once we got that down, we're gonna start using I statements. I'll start. I am going to get A's this semester. I am so proud of how far I've come. One thing about these statements, though, they have to be realistic, 50% true, I guess. You can hype yourself up, but your self-talk has to be aligned with your vision. So like I said, I want to get straight A's. My self-talk shouldn't be, I'm going to go party, Now, once you have that vision, it should definitely inspire you. I'm ready to go study after I made that vision about getting all A's. I'm not going to lie. Now, once you have that vision and once you've used those I statements, it's not over. You do it again and again, day after day, week after week, and just keep using those statements and change them if it gets old. Change the statements. Keep going with the goals. And the statements that inspire you the most, use those the most. Shoot, if you need to, take the statements, put them on sticky notes, put them in the mirror, put them in the bathroom, put them on the fridge, put them all around the house, and focus on what inspires you. If you want to visualize and achieve this dream, you have to realize that you're in control of your life. You got to realize you're in charge of your life, you're in charge of your thoughts, and you're the one that's got to go get these goals. You know what I was talking about with track? I visualized it and I went out and won that race. When you visualize your success, it becomes muscle memory and then it becomes reality. This is actually why people do flashcards. They do flashcards because they're visualizing the test. A lot of people don't realize your words have so much power. See, the way you speak to yourself creates a vision, and this vision is a process. You have to speak to yourself every day. You have to tell yourself these positive words of affirmation every day, and you just got to keep going and keep going. Visualization is easy, but it takes practice. You got to write it, you got to see it, you got to achieve it. But thanks for watching. You know, it's your boy CMO 954. If you like this video, drop a subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, hit that like button. Comment below what are some goals you want to hit. And make sure to check out my website that's in the description, The Purpose. But I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.
About the future, think of battles that you won. Don't quit on me, you getting better. Journey just begun. I know you thinking life is hard, you're not the only one.
When life get hard, you stand. You don't